my baby left me by the San Francisco Bay. He took an ocean liner and he's gone so far away. But I didn't mean to treat him so bad. He's just the best pal that I ever had. He said goodbye, gonna make me cry. I'm gonna lay me down to die. Ain't got a nickel and I ain't got a lousy dime. And if he don't come back, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. If he ever comes back to stay, it's gonna be another brand new day. Walking with my baby down by the San Francisco Bay. Hey, hey, sitting down looking out my back door, wondering which way to go. That crazy guy, he don't want me no more. Think I'll take me a freight train, 'cause I'm feeling so blue. Ride all the way to the end of the line, thinking only of you, ba-ba-ba-ba. Meanwhile in another city, trust bikes will go insane. Seems like I heard my baby the way he used to call my name. If he ever comes back to this day, it's gonna be another brand new day. Walking with my baby down by the San Francisco Bay. Hey, hey.